Hello, my name is Jennifer Williams and I'm the program manager at the Scottish Poetry Library, which is a wonderful purpose-built library in Edinburgh, the capital of Scotland, dedicated solely to the promotion of poetry, and we have about 40,000 objects in our collection, mostly poetry books and some works on paper and so on and so forth, and we put on poetry events and promote poetry via our website, and we became a member of the LEUL platform, and we've also been working with Literature Across Frontiers for many years, doing translation workshops and promoting poetry translation in various ways. And one of our main activities working with LEUL will be to do new translation and collaboration workshops and exchanges between poets from different countries and Scottish poets. And it's been an absolute joy to be here in Malta. It's my first time, and it's such a beautiful, beautiful place, and I've enjoyed not only the swimming and the food and the beautiful sunny weather, which is very different from what we have in Scotland most of the time, but most especially getting to hear so many different writers and poets, and getting to witness the wonderful exchanges that they've been making in between their languages in the translation workshop, and then getting to hear them live. And also I write poetry myself, and I had a chance to read at the open mic organized by Antoine Cassard the other day, and it was such a special experience because there were so many wonderful people, and especially young women and all different sorts of people performing, and it was really beautiful to see people being promoted in that way. So I understand that Malta is definitely a great place for literature, and I am very lucky to be here.